Once a geordie, always a geordie. There's something in that, you know. Some were born in the shadows of St. James's, and some a little further afield. But we're all the same, really. Geordies, united. Some say adopted, we say adored. Once you're in, you're in. Part of the furniture.
Newcastle United have only gone and done it.
It becomes who you are, wherever you are. And without being able to do a thing about it.
Tino!
You're one of us, forever. Once a local, always a hero.
How's the break been then, Dan?
How's the bacon, did you say?